Hey Artland, how's it going today? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw Earth Godzilla's face. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm actually going to do the eyebrow first. So I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. Then it's going to kind of go up like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, and that's just going to kind of curve up. And then right here, I'm going to add a little line that just kind of curves up and down. Then I'm going to add another one here, and then a smaller one here. I'm just going to kind of color this in real quick. Then I'm going to add a little line right underneath here, and then a couple little lines kind of right around it. I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves up to here, and that's just going to kind of come back. And we're going to add a couple more little extra lines right around here. Then starting up here, I'm going to make a little line that kind of curves up. It's going to go down and kind of curve in. I'm going to kind of curve some little lines here. Then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes out. That's going to kind of come in and then go down here. Then I'm just going to add some kind of big teeth. His teeth are kind of like formed into his mouth. So there's really no like separation. You don't really see like individual teeth. So they're just kind of in there, and then I'm going to curve it up to here. Then starting up here, I'm just going to make a little line. It's just going to kind of curve around, and then I'm going to bring a line that just kind of goes down and over here. I'm going to make a little line that kind of goes up and down. And I'm going to kind of do the same thing. Like his teeth are just kind of formed in here. Make a little line that kind of goes up and down. Another one right here. Then he's got these really big kind of spikes right on the end of his jaw. So I'm going to make one that kind of curves here. Make another one that goes down and kind of curves up. And then I'm just going to kind of make some wavy little lines kind of around here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves around. And then right here, I'm going to make some kind of little spiky lines that just kind of go back. They're going to get a little bit bigger as they go up, and they're just going to kind of curve off to here. So starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes down and kind of curves back for the nostril. And I'm actually just going to color this part in just so we know it is right there. And then I'm just going to go right back to here. Add some little kind of broken lines right here. And then I'm going to kind of make some of these teeth kind of go farther up here. So I'm just going to kind of add some extra little lines all over. I'm going to add another little line over here for the other part of his nose. I'm going to add some more little lines kind of right around his eye. And I'm going to kind of make some of these little long kind of broken lines kind of curving back right around his mouth here. I'm going to add just some little lines right over here. I'm going to add just a few kind of quick little broken lines all over. And then I'm just going to kind of do that same thing all around here. Just kind of add different little curved lines, quick little broken lines everywhere. I'm going to add some kind of like long, kind of curved lines over here. This Godzilla almost kind of looks like he's made of rock a little bit. So I'm just going to kind of give him kind of like that rocky texture, you know, really rough. It's got lots of different lines kind of going everywhere. This is definitely one of those, there's no right or wrong way to do this, you know, just kind of come in here and add the lines all over the place. Just going to kind of add different little lines everywhere. Just lots of little like texture and everything in here. Just going to kind of add lines all over here. Just kind of find some different areas and just bring some lines all over the place. I'm going to kind of add some different little lines going down here. We'll do that same thing up on his teeth too. So we're just going to add lots of little extra lines everywhere. Kind of make them go all over the place. I'm going to kind of add a little bit of a curve to them so it looks like they're kind of going back. We're going to add some different little lines over here. Lines kind of around his nose too. I'm going to add some extra little lines up in here. We're going to add some different details right around here too. Just going to kind of curve back some of these little things. I'm going to make a big line that kind of goes right to the end of the paper, and then I'm going to make one that kind of goes out and then down here. A few more right around here, and then just a few more kind of little details. We're going to add lots of little kind of broken lines everywhere. Going to add some extra little lines all over the place. Couple little curve lines all over here. And you just kind of want to come in here and add lots of broken lines. He just has a lot of detail on him. So there's lots of things you can just kind of add. Just kind of put lines all over the place. Put some lines up here by his eyes and up here on his spikes. I'm just going to kind of come in, just kind of put things wherever. Just going to kind of put lots of little details everywhere. And then over here, I'm going to draw some extra little kind of pointy teeth and bring them right up here into the mouth. And there you go. There is your drawing of Godzilla Earth's face. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.